What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Welcome back. It has been a long time since we've made any sort of videos. I think you've seen this little, I don't know where to point. I don't know how to point on the camera anymore. I think you've seen this little John Deere. We bought this off of Tristan. It needs some rear wheels. I cleaned up the engine bay and stuff a couple weeks ago. So it's been like 70 and then it drops to freezing cold again. So we're in a weird spot in Michigan with the weather right now, and I've just not been in the mood to do anything. So rear tires needed very much so badly. Front tires are good. Need some paint, but other than that, I mean, it runs all right. I think there's a little bit of a valve issue going on. Sometimes it struggles to start, and it does smell like it's burning a little bit of oil. But to be fair, I think it's like a very early 2000s model. So it's like 20-some years old. It's an old guy. Go-kart. I think one of the last videos we did was put the suspension on the go-kart. I'm pretty sure that was like the last full video that I made. So I guess the goal with that, maybe suspension and gas tank? Yeah, so I gotta get that running. Gotta do some stuff with the John Deere. We don't really have anything to kind of make a video out of with that. I think my goal right now, though, I'm gonna try to mess with this a little bit, see if I can't get her to start. And yeah, let's pull the bike out. Oh, she's very crusty, very dusty. Hasn't moved in a minute. That's pretty disgusting. I've driven it already this year, like 2 or 3 times. But as you can see, I have not really taken care of anything this winter. I genuinely, I parked everything and called it a year, dude. I have not done much since that last video. Kind of just been taking a time off away from making IRL YouTube videos, been working on game videos, and just haven't really been in the mood. So yes, sir. I think I'm gonna ride to work tonight, though. It is finally nice. It's like 70 degrees. It'll be like 50 when I leave, so it is what it is. But get them leathers, get them gloves, and we'll be good to go. Oh, yeah, another jump around. We were working on the mini bike as well. I'm pretty sure we have videos covering everything we did here. Cut that out, so it's good for direct drive now. We might still need to mount a chain roller. I'm pretty sure we're gonna need to do that. We also need to get this little guy here, this little fuel pump, mounted up somewhere. Not really sure exactly what I'm gonna do. I mean, I could get a bracket to put in between here. That could work. Build some sort of bracket for right in between here. Bop. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna try to utilize this hole right here as my air intake for this. Don't know if it's a great idea or if we're gonna end up sucking up oil, but it's the only thing I can think of. So we might try it. Fuck it. All right, and there she is in all her glory. I have been having some weird shaky with the front. My buddy was saying it's probably the caliper. There's a whole thing you're supposed to do when you bleed them, and you're supposed to like take them apart. They're not like normal car calipers. I don't know, so that's a thing. Still gonna ride it today. It's too nice not to. But if we come over to this, we have our beautiful stand, which is, I mean, honestly, this thing is fucking solid for what it is. It's literally just zip tied together. It's pretty ghetto. But, you know, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at it. Beautiful. We got fuel. We got fuel. We got fuel. It's you know, it's fueling. It is doing its fueling. So this is getting freaking fuel, dude. Now, the problem, I don't know. That's where I'm at, is I don't really know what the problem is. That looks like that's not sitting all the way down. No, I guess it is. So, I don't know if I need to adjust some screws in here. But blocker, we got her choked. She's on. can't go anywhere. She's gonna go straight into that, so hopefully we don't have any issues. Like, she's got compression. Like, you hear? Like, it feels like it wants to do its thing. It just won't. It's really sad. It's really sad. She gets spark. We tested that. It's missing an OHV screw for some reason. I threw an old one, too, of the starter fluid in there, and she hit a little pop-a-doodle. I'll give her... Well, you can still see there's some in there. We'll give her a little bit more. I mean, it's getting gas to here. Like, there's gas. I don't understand. I guess I'll have to take the bowl off next steps, but let's see if we can get it to do anything. Okay, that's scary. We're starting to move forward. Don't roll on me, bro. It's got to be like a gas. It has got to be a gas issue somehow. I don't understand. I mean, we gotta flow, bro. We gotta flow. Unless my pump is fucking dead. We'll check the bowl first. See if there's any gas in it. It's gonna leak out. We'll empty it and try again. Worst case, it doesn't work, and then we have to put another one of the. Oh my god, I can't get in here. I just gotta grab one of those ones, throw it over here, see if we can get it to run, and go from there. I mean, I don't think it's the carb. I don't think the carb needs to be tuned, per se. I mean, it does need to be tuned now that I fucked with it. I did mess with some of the... So many screws here. But, if we could... Moments of truth, let's hopefully not destroy the gasket. Okay, it's kind of on there. Oh, do I have to? No, there's not one on the bottom. Oh. Is it the float? The float's having an issue, maybe? Because now it's filling up with gas. All right, let's put this back on. 1 minute. I gotta go back to. I can't one-hand this. Ooh, that smells funky. What is causing that to sit so high? If you come and look over here, you can't really tell. I feel like it's sitting up pretty fucking high, though. Okay. Come on, fuck this thing. All right, well, I got the gas line off. I think I'm gonna take the carb off since we know it's getting gas to the carb. It seems to not be functioning from there. I'm gonna take the carb off, try to clean it up, and we'll see what happens from there. So, pretty simple, man. I think these are 8 mils right here, bop, bop, and the carb is literally off. We're gonna do this first, watch. Right, it's super simple. There's a little spring under here, so don't just let it pop out. Boom, she's good to go. Just move that to the side. And, oh, it does look a little dirty in there. Yeah, it's a little crusty. So, get that off. Boom, just like that, dude. Look at that, it instantly came off. I guess that could be part of the problem. Maybe it was too loose, but I don't believe so. This one was on there pretty tight. Gasket looks... Is there a gasket? There is a gasket. Okay, I gotta hold that. This is a fucking two-handed task. I mean, like that, boom, we got our carb off. There is gas in here. It does look pretty crusty inside of there. So, we'll give her a little bath, some brake clean, try to clean out the ducts, and maybe reset these, figure out what they're supposed to be at, put them all the way in, and then pull them back. I would say we have Shrek in the fucking house, brother. That's pretty crusty and dusty, so I'm gonna take that out and clean those up. Alrighty, she is put back together. It is a couple days later, but I let her soak. I cleaned it out. Both the jets are squirting though. So maybe it will be good and it'll actually have gas. So this drained all over the place. There is some gas inside of the tank. It does smell a little tarnished, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little old, but we're gonna try to run it. Okay, I got the goddamn carb hooked up, man, and put some gas in here. Oh, I didn't put the little thingy back in though. It's fine. Let's give it the see what happens. We have gas suckage. Let's see, we'll prime it a couple times. So that means we have confirmation. See, the bubbles are coming. We have confirmation that we're getting suction. We're slowly filling. We're filling. It still sounds too fucking arid though. I don't understand. Oh, well. She's definitely... Is it getting gas somewhere, Holmes? Where's it leaking from, Holmes? It started, but it's very smoky. We got a runaway cart, baby. We got a runaway cart. We got a problem. We also have a gas leakage. We have much so a gas leak. Okay, well, she's running now, so that's a positive. But it's leaking from the fuel line here, which is a negative, rubber ducky. So, but I need to tune this carb in a little bit more. Oh my god, dude, fuck. Brand new unopened box. Who knows when these are from. These look old. But we're gonna use them. Use them though. There's a bunch of shit in here that could be used, dude. We got these over here. Like, what am I doing? All this new shit? I need to, like, functionally do something about that. I need to get more pegboard. Like, yeah, because this is it's embarrassing. Surely. Well, as you can see, we have no more leaky. We have water in the deaky. And, let's see what happens. Let me win! Why is she running? I don't know which one's causing it to run is the question. Is it this one? No, I'm going over here. I gotta... Oh, shit. I wonder what that's for. I don't know. All I know is, this needs this. It needs it. Music singers. We've always been a real close family. Hell yeah, brother. We're about to fucking rip this bitch. Oh, she's rowdy as ever, brother. Nice. Oh, the throttle gets stuck open. Okay, we gotta be careful for that. I be damned. We had a successful adventure with this little guy today. The last 3 days, I guess. And she's a certified fucking ripper now, Johnny. She's a certified fucking ripper, brother. I need to get a mic so that I can like helmet up and we can have fun. But she's ripping. She's back to full. We got suspension. I did a little mishap. I pulled this tie rod out and debeaded the whole tire, doing basically what my wife did last time to fuck it up. So this time I'm the dickhead, but now I fixed it, so like the suspension's straight and we're ready to rock, bro. So hopefully y'all enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe, and that thing's looking at us. Until next time, peace.